Hi guys, thank you for joining me with Art Spear today. We are going to be doing a Skittles experiment this time and making a rainbow in a bowl using only Skittles and water. So what you're going to need is your just bowl. I filled mine up not even halfway with water, maybe about a third of the way with water, and I heated it up in the microwave for 30 seconds. So it's just important that you have warm water. Doesn't have to be hot, so just maybe 30-45 seconds in the microwave. And then you need your Skittles. So I just have mine here. And what you're going to do is you're going to take a Skittle and you're just going to put it around the edge of the bowl to just make a circle around and outline the bowl with Skittles. You can do this in a pattern, or you can do this in all one color, or however you want, just different colors. And what's going to happen is, if you want to start doing it, the color is going to dissolve off your Skittles, and it's going to migrate towards the middle like a rainbow. So I'm just outlining mine. The Skittles sink to the bottom, so you can just place them on the bottom of the bowl in the water. It's okay if it messes up a little bit. You guys may have seen this before if you're messing around with M&Ms or Skittles and the food dye comes off, or it stains your hands like it's doing now. This is because the dye, the sugar dye on the Skittles, dissolves in water or liquid, and it dissolves extra fast because we're heating this up, which is why we want a quick reaction. So basically, I have mine surrounded, and I'll show you guys in a minute, but the dye in the sugar that make up the Skittle, the coating of the Skittle, will dissolve because it's soluble in water. However, the different colors that make up like green or yellow, the dye is composed of different amounts of sugar, which means that when it dissolves, it will not mix with another color. So that's why you can get a rainbow. So here I have mine with different colors, and I'll show you guys, but they don't mix together because the colors are made of different amounts of sugar, which is what makes this experiment really cool. And then eventually all the dye will come off of this, and you will just see your white Skittles left. Just with a color in the middle. So you guys can also do this with shapes or different outlines. If you want to put like a cookie cutter in and put your Skittles in, it'll dissolve that way. So it's all up to you for how you guys want to do this. You can make a real rainbow with it, or you can just do it randomly colored like mine. But let me go ahead and show you guys. Alright, so here we have the colors. As you can see, all the coloring dissolved off my Skittles and they're white. And then you can see in the middle, they dissolved to the center, so they all migrated to the center. And none of the colors are really mixing, they're kind of just staying with their own dye together, which is what I was talking about. Alright, so hopefully you guys were able to do this on your own. I hope you guys were able to make a really cool color rainbow. If you did, please share it with us at info@artspear.org or #LoveArtspearInc, and we would love to see your videos and your Skittle ideas. I would love to see if you guys were able to make any cool designs or color mixtures. So I hope you guys are able to try this. It's super easy, it's really fun to do and to experiment with, and it teaches you just about how things dissolve and how things are soluble and sugars in different colors. So I hope you guys have an awesome day. Please join us again for our next video.